Did you know Russia's most feared ruler destroyed his own empire in a single moment of rage? Ivan IV had terrorized his people for decades through brutal purges and paranoid violence. By 1581, the Tsar trusted no one, not even his own family. That November, he found his pregnant daughter-in-law wearing what he considered immodest clothing. In his twisted fury, he struck the woman so violently she miscarried. When his son Ivan rushed to defend his wife, father and son erupted into a screaming argument. The old Tsar's rage consumed him completely. He raised his iron-pointed staff and brought it crashing down on his heir's temple. Blood poured from the wound as Ivan realized what he had done. For 3 days, he never left his dying son's bedside, weeping and begging forgiveness. But it was too late. Russia's most powerful dynasty had just destroyed itself. The man who had killed thousands had delivered the fatal blow to his own empire.